Hey, a good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar on the daily chart. What we have over here is a a slight break and close above the high visually on the daily chart. Okay, and looking at this is just about 20-30 pips higher. Let's see how it goes if this can resume on Monday. Alright, so for our chart, what we can observe also is a for traders who are into harmonic pattern, a formation of a deep crab pattern. Let's see if it's able to reach it's emerging, that means it's on the way and forming up. So let's see if we can reach that level. If not, then you can use it as a waiting for a retracement for a buying opportunity, which an idea just struck me while doing this live recording. Alright, so 1 hour chart, this is what we got over here. On the 1 hour chart, a break and close above the high that has happened, going into a consolidation. So yes, traders who are into counter trend trading can, start planning. Alright, so if you find that I'm talking a bit fast or you want to understand more, you can scan this QR code to head on to our website, have a bit of interaction with us over here, ask your questions. But before you ask your question, please go through these courses first and watch it over and over again until you understand before you post those questions. That would be appreciated, and this is absolutely free, so share it with your friends right now before we start charging for this. Alright, so scroll further down, you'll get even to see our trade ideas. Okay, so back to our daily chart over here. My analysis and ongoing analysis will be once it touches this trend line, then I'm waiting for a buying opportunity for a longer term. For our chart, yes, this is a bit premature, too early to draw. But what's more important is that a retracement area that caught my attention, and I love to use this trading method, which I call it assume and don't assume. So first up, I assume that it will drop to this level. Don't assume, which means I will not engage directly to short just because of this assumption. Okay, and at this level, then I'm waiting for a uptrend movement on a equal distance move. This is a 3-wave trading technique: 1 wave, 2 wave, and the 3rd wave. Alright, 3-wave trading technique. So I'm waiting for a retracement back down, not discounting an opportunity for a shorting. Well, over here, what I'm looking at, I need a break and close below this line. So what I'm going to do in order to trigger that and not to become a nuisance, because while we are setting alert, it is really very important for us to set something that we trust, and once the alert rings, we know what we are looking for, and not treating it as a nuisance, because when that happens, then it's just like when you receive a lot of WhatsApp message from WhatsApp group. What you're going to do is you are going to mute them, correct? And you start to miss all those good message. Likewise for trading, you won't want that to happen. So in order to set an alert of whatever I want, and red is a signal for me to sell, blue is looking to buy, I add an alert over here, and I want to get notified only once per bar close. The setting is, it cannot set towards a once per bar close below or above and stuff like that. Maybe it can, but it's a bit too confusing for me over here. Maybe I'll learn it sometime. I think crossing down or stuff like that. Okay, but you see what I do? I place it just a bit lower than the trend line. And once per bar close, I'll write down what I'm looking for: pound dollar H1, break close below. And this pretty much I'm looking for a shorting on H based on H4. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Place an alert over here, and this is how I do my analysis. And this is pretty much the time I use, and it's not just me, but all our graduates can do that. What you need to do is just set aside 30 minutes a day to do your analysis, consistently. And these are all the build-ups, and drawing these boxes over here color coded in, you know, a standard color, you know, meaning to at least myself and my readers. So we know that what we're looking at, and over time, you know, we get to form thesis like godly patterns. If type 2 usually doesn't work that well, you know, and if you sit on a trend line that good, then it's going to fail. So these are additional information that you won't get to read on a textbook, and you only get to learn from a real trader that is trading right now using the same strategy. Alright, so that's pretty much I have for you today. Once again, wish you a happy new year and a better year ahead. Stop wasting time and try to figure out in your community your time worth more than that. That's all I have for you today. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan. Take care, guys.